Oh, little observers, today we're off to the open world of the letter O. Let's observe. In the stillness of night, listen to the oh.
Wise and watchful, I see the world from my treetop perch. Hoot, hoot!
Next, let's slide and play with the cheerful Otter.
I slide, I swim, and with a splash into the water I dash.
Now let's visit the orchard and find Orange.
Round and refreshing. I'm the juicy orange, perfect for a sunny day.
Dive deep underwater and discover the Octopus.
With my 8 arms, I twirl and twist. An underwater ballet you can't resist.
For our final wonder, here's the Ostrich, the largest bird running with grace on land.
With long legs, I sprint and play. An ostrich on the move every day.
Outstanding, don't you think? Which O word opened your eyes the most?
Ooh la la!
Oh,
it's
so amazing. Onward to more learning.
Opt to join us again as we orbit through other letters of the alphabet.